Think you've seen every cool tool? Think again. Today, we've picked 20 incredible tools that make work faster, easier, and way smarter. Some are so satisfying, you'll wonder if they're secretly doing all the hard work for us. Let's jump right in. The Woodpecker's Indexable. ThinRip Guide delivers accurate thin strip cuts with precise 1/32 inch click adjustments that stay consistent every time. Its upgraded miter bar fits nearly any standard table saw slot, including worn ones. Even better, it adds more features while keeping the price lower. The PowerTech Pulling Tower makes dent and panel repairs faster with up to 550 kilograms of pulling force and a portable, drill-free design that stays secure using a pneumatic suction base. The included extension raises it for truck and van repairs, while the adjustable hoist handles a wide range of pulling jobs with ease. The Trend Tool Technology. Hole saw sets are built for plumbers and electricians, featuring long-lasting 8% cobalt teeth for fast, smooth cuts through multiple materials. With a quick-release arbor, 38mm cutting depth, and efficient chip ejection, these sets make hole cutting quicker, cleaner, and more reliable. The Skew block plane is designed for smooth, precise trimming, with a 15-degree skewed blade that slices effortlessly and reduces cutting resistance. Its adjustable fence, scoring spur, and Norris-style blade adjuster provide excellent control, making clean edge work and cross-grain cuts easier and more accurate. The 10-inch portable table saw packs shop-level performance into a compact design with a powerful 2-horsepower variable speed motor that delivers smooth, precise cuts across different materials. Complete with a foldable stand, rack and pinion adjustments, and built-in safety features, it's ready for both the workshop and the job site. The RubiClean. Easy Squeeze makes grout cleaning faster and far less tiring with its foot-operated sponge wringing system, so there's no constant bending or kneeling. Its large 32-liter bucket, transport wheels, and efficient design help professionals clean bigger tiled surfaces with less effort and better results. The Wagner FLEXiO 1500 sprayer makes painting quick and effortless, spraying up to 7 times faster than a brush while delivering a smooth, even finish. Its lightweight design, adjustable spray controls, and easy clean system make it ideal for tackling walls, fences, decks, and other small to medium projects. The X-Grip Profile Assortment packs 23 specialized hex sockets and screwdriver bits into a durable soft-touch case for secure grip and easy organization. With clearly marked compartments and a sturdy metal belt clip, it's a compact professional kit that's always ready for the next repair job. The Aardwolf SLAB LIFTER makes moving heavy stone slabs safer and more controlled with its manual locking system, safety chain, and support bracket. Rubber-padded clamps protect finished surfaces, while the front edge design and built-in rollers allow precise positioning, even in tight spaces. The Ibenstock EFS 200 is a powerful window renovation saw designed to remove old window and door frames with clean, low-dust cuts. Its 1,400-watt motor, adjustable cutting depth, and 180-degree rotating base plate make straight and corner cuts fast, precise, and far easier during renovation projects. The core drilling machine is built for dry drilling through extremely hard materials up to 202 millimeters in diameter. Its innovative impact hybrid technology gearbox delivers powerful, reliable performance, making it the ideal choice for jobs where wet drilling isn't practical, such as hollow ceilings or water-sensitive areas. The Total 20 volts. Cordless Pruner Saw makes pruning quick and effortless with a brushless motor, fast 11 meters per second chain speed, and a compact 5-inch bar for precise cuts. Its automatic chain lubrication system reduces wear, keeping the saw running smoothly through everyday garden tasks. The Hide Pivot Clip. PROShield gives painters better control with tool-free angle adjustments and a versatile shield that easily handles corners and edges. Compatible with extension poles and designed for comfortable, hands-free use, it makes spraying faster, cleaner, and more precise on any job. The electric pressure washer delivers cordless portable cleaning with up to 35 minutes of runtime on a rechargeable battery. Its compact foldable design, 12-liter water tank, and 72 psi pressure make it perfect for cleaning cars, bikes, and outdoor equipment with ease. The UltraVac 1250 Dust Collector is a heavy-duty vacuum built to capture concrete dust with powerful 220 cubic feet per minute suction. Featuring dual motors, a large 12.5-gallon dustbin, and a HEPA filtration system, it delivers reliable dust control for grinders, saws, and other demanding construction tools. The Auto Joe Hybrid Tire inflator combines 12 volts DC and 120 volts AC power to inflate tires and large inflatables wherever you are. With automatic pressure shutoff, a digital gauge, dual motors, and a built-in LED light, it offers fast, convenient inflation and deflation for home, travel, or emergencies. The inspection camera features a 4-way articulating probe that bends and rotates for clear views inside hard-to-reach spaces without disassembly. With a 6-inch HD display, IP67 waterproof design, built-in recording, and included 32GB memory card, it's ideal for detailed automotive, plumbing, and industrial inspections. The Total 20-volt cordless rotary hammer delivers 4.5 joules of impact energy with a powerful brushless motor for drilling and chiseling through tough masonry. Its SDS Plus chuck enables quick bit changes, while compatibility with the Total 20-volt battery platform adds convenience for every job. The TC125 G2 Energy KAS delivers cordless precision for cutting porcelain, ceramic, and large format slabs with support for 115mm and 125mm blades. Offering straight and 45-degree miter cuts, plus wet or dry operation with dust extraction, it's built for accurate, unrestricted job site performance. The Max Side Load Ground rod driver makes installing ground rods safer by allowing side loading, eliminating the need for overhead lifting or ladders. Compatible with SDS Max rotary hammers, it securely drives 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch rods to full depth while protecting them from damage. Thanks for watching. If these amazing tools blew your mind or made your toolbox feel jealous, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tool videos, and tell us your favorite in the comments. See you in the next one.